back. Today we will learn how to transpose a matrix and how to subset a matrix. Now, in order to transpose a matrix, you can use the T function, right? So let me just print the value of A matrix which we did in last lecture, which is this. It consists of 5 columns and 2 rows. Now I want to transpose this matrix into 5 rows and 2 columns, right? In order to transpose a matrix, there's a function called T, and in the parentheses you need to mention the name of the matrix, right? And I'm storing that result in a matrix called trans. See, trans now consists of 5 rows, which is y1 to y5, and 2 columns s1 and s2. Now, in order to transpose this, in order to subset this matrix, suppose from the trans matrix, I want to extract the element present at second row and second column, which is 7 right now. So, in order to do that, I have to write the name of the matrix first, then in square bracket, first argument is your row index and second is your column index. So 2 comma 2, this will give me the output 7, which is currently present in the second row and second column. Similarly, if I want to extract the entire first column, right, which is S1, what I need to do is matrix name in square bracket. Since I want all the rows of the matrix, but only the first column, so I just need to write in a square bracket comma 1. So this will give me all the elements which are present in column 1, right? Now I can also do extract the or subset the matrix using the names, column names and row names. So for example, from the trans matrix, which is this, I want to extract the element which is present at y2 and s2, which is similar to 2 comma 2, which we did using the indexing, right? Since the name of these rows and columns are y2 and s2, I have to mention those names in quotes, right? And once I execute this, it will give me the output 7. This is all for this lecture. In next lecture, we will tell you how to install a package, how to load a package, and so on. Till then, happy learning.